alongside Homer.
We all know there will be a last time for everything and everyone. We might be living in our last days. There might be 27 years to come. Running across the border, following the water, make the most of every notion. Soaring like a kite, higher than a mite. Baby, I can see the ocean run. Baby, run, run like the river runs. You will become one with the ocean, one day we're gonna meet again. Until then, run like the river runs. I might already spend my last dime. I might become a billionaire. Life is happening in real time, but I will follow you anywhere. Running across the border, following the water, make the most of every notion. Soaring like a kite, higher than a mite. Baby, I can see the ocean run, run like the river runs. You will become one with the ocean, one day we're gonna meet again. Until then, run like the river runs. Last time for everything and everyone.
Leaving Seward. Had a couple of nights here, and it's a nice little town. Really didn't get to see a whole lot. Did the amazing hike, the Harding Icefield hike through the snow, which made it way more difficult, but did get to the top, which was cool. Beautiful, beautiful hike, and views stunning. So now it's on our way to Homer for 2 nights, and tomorrow I've got a adventure planned, a little bit of a hike, and then we'll be kayaking alongside a glacier, and you get to paddle by the icebergs. I'm not much of a tour fan, but don't have much of a choice, and if I want to do something like that, I don't have a boat and all that stuff, so you got to do what you got to do. We'll see if it continues to rain. It's just kind of a light mist sprinkle. Clean the lens off there, if you will. But we'll see what Homer has in store. Well, I paddled up to the brewing glacier outside of Homer. Little hike, little paddle, and what an amazing experience. Icebergs floating all around. Really, really cool. Highly recommend it if you're ever near Homer. Descending. All right, in the books, Harding Icefield. Now it's time for way down. Well, I'm leaving Homer, and it's a little bit of a sad occasion. I will say this is the closest thing to New Zealand that I've ever seen in the US. The lakes, the rivers, the ocean, the mountains, you got it all. And the rain, much like New Zealand. Also, I would say that I could definitely live here in the summer. I think it's probably the only place I've been so far that I feel like, hey, I could live here for summer. So we'll see what Denali has. I'm staying Hope tonight, and then on to Denali for a couple nights, and then to Valdez for a couple of nights. So have some fun stuff coming up, and then after that, time to head back. The ride down to Homer, once you get away from Seward, is kind of boring. I mean, you know, relatively speaking, it's all pretty cool, but once you get to Homer, it's spectacular. The scenery and the mountains, how they just go right up to the ocean, and yeah, really, really cool. And I can see why people view Homer as a destination town. And the Spit, which is the I don't know, couple mile long thin piece of land that jets out from Homer off the mainland, is called that because it looks like somebody spit off the mainland. That's what I was told by a local. So yeah, there's the Homer Spit, which is kind of this chain of, not chain of, it's just a kind of a peninsula, I would call it. That was really cool, and that's where I did the excursion yesterday on the kayak. So hopefully we'll do a little detour today. There's get off road, there's a beautiful lake, and we'll see how that goes.